Megan. What is cracking, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Marshall Outdoors. Today we are back at the old dried up spillway, and we're gonna give her another crack today though. Went and stole the kayak from Fishing More. Just pulled up at the house, said, hey, I'm using your kayak today. We're gonna go catch big cats at the spillway in the kayak. So we're gonna haul everything down there. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my big camera or what just yet, because I have not done any kayak fishing. So there's a good chance we're getting wet today. But for now, let's haul this junk down there, get out there, see if we can get some of these big cats. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Oh, this is gonna be intense. We're ready to get in this thing. Maybe wondering why I got my socks on still. Because the amount of crayfish in here is buck wild. So not trying to get bit. And here we go. This is intense. Oh, we're off. Thing is pretty tippy. Current's pretty strong, so let's just not die today. Oh, this thing scoots though. Oh, we're already just in the zone, boys. We are already just in the zone. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. Holy snapping turtle, that thing was huge. Beach the boat right in here. Just anchor up and stand in the water. Sounds good to me. Oh my gosh. We've made it. Let's see if we can make this happen. I am really excited. So let's just get after it. Bait of choice today is going to be cut suckers. And we don't have a lot of them, so try not to use too many. Tell you the truth, I'm more worried about losing rigs than minnows. Because, like I said before, stopped here for about 10 minutes earlier and lost 4 rigs instantly. So, whew, it's windy over here even. You know, sorry. Not a fan of the crawfish. Not ideal. Don't really like those guys. But yeah. Ouch. Ow. Jeez Louise. Oh my good lord. Good thing I got socks on. Alright, let's see if this works. The whole reason I couldn't fish from shore over there is because I'd cast way over here. Current would just drag my line down right into snags every time. So you got to keep that line going like this with the current, and it won't pull or drag on it. Way easier to fish snaggy spots. Way easier. We're gonna huck some baits around, see if we can find some fish. Got one. Got one. There we go. What is it? Whatever it is not bad. Hit it like a cat though. Oh yeah, little channel cat there. Look at him. Just getting after it. Oh yeah. Oh, little guy. All right. So that's a good sign. Hopefully, ow, 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 stuck me in the toe, dude. Just stuck me right in the toe. Oh, hey, that's what we're here for. Channel cats. Hopefully hopefully that's the first of many. That thing is tiny, but it's a good sign. Yes, my rod is just buried in the lake. Yes, it's getting crazy windy. All right, cat number one, let's go. Keep her coming, keep her tuned. Let's get some more. It's been a struggle bus out here. I've lost $100 worth of terminal tackle, weights and hooks, and crawdads keep stealing my bait. So hopefully, just hopefully, we can find the cats, get them fired up here. That was the smallest cat I've ever seen here. Another one. Another one. Instant. We're on them. What is this? What is this? This one feels better. This one feels better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. He's tearing. Oh, he's tearing. Oh. Oh. He's jumping. Oh no, it's not a catfish. You gotta be kidding me. Ew. Gross, dude. Gross. I don't have pliers. It's a dogfish. What? I did not expect to catch one of those. Okay, let's take him back to the boat. I'm talking massive teeth. Pliers are needed. I don't have pliers, so I'm just gonna go with the death grip. Oh man, this is turned into a shit show. Just want my Gamakatsu back, bud. That's all I want. So just settle down. There you go. Oh, oh, Jesus. What the hell happened? I was straight really excited. I was like, holy man, 2 cats back to back. We might have just figured something out. And then I pull up this guy. Well, that was a first for me. Never caught a dogfish while I've been bottom rigging for cats. Never even seen a dogfish in this dam before, but there you have it. I guess they're in here. We're gonna set up this rod, see if we can catch something else. I don't know. Cat's already got me mad. Lost about $100 worth of tackle, weights, hooks. I'm talking packs of them. You know how expensive those 4-ounce weights are? Not cheap, dude. Not cheap at all. So we're gonna try salvage the day since we're down here already. And I haven't really fished this side before, so we're gonna see if we can make it happen, Captain. I mean, it has been ridiculous. I just casted all the line out of my catfishing rod, literally all of it. Casted that right out. So we're gonna try and go vertical jig them. It's the only thing I can think of. I'm just gonna go, I'm just gonna go get right in there with them, I guess. I mean, shit. All right, let's go fish something else. This current down here is just sucking me into the rapids every time, so let's go up to the dam, see if we can find anything up there. See if there's any cats up there. I don't know. Probably not, but go check it out. I'm just gonna go throw the paddle tail around, dude. I don't know what else to do. Oh my gosh, dude. Like today? Like, oh. Woo! Let me tell you, today is something fierce, dude. Alright, let's go fish some stuff we've never fished before. There. Largy. First kayak fish for this guy. There we go. Keep her tuned. Don't really want to blow in here too far. Okay, we gotta back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. There's a crick running in right there, like a spring-fed crick or something. You know how that goes. Fish love that shit. We got another buddy coming out with the oars. Fish. Oh my god, just lost something else. You gotta be kidding me. No, pulled my pants down. Oh, tore the plastic. Oh, ho, ho, he was chasing it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Let's put it back in there. Oh, not on shore there, bud. Put it in reverse, Terry. I need the foot pedal drive ones, man, so I can just paddle and keep moving, you know. The whole having to paddle thing, it's not ideal. Damn, it's actually deep. Big. Oh. What? Vertical underneath the boat. Oh, dude, we're in the juice now. Talking in the juice. This is where I need the foot drive. Need the footprint gas and pedal installed in here. Oh my god. Guess we're going in. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, you're lucky you didn't catch, clean, and cook that here. Nice little whale. Nice little Walter deer. See you later, my dude. This spot is intense, guys. Like, it is intense around here. Well, let me tell ya. Probably shouldn't be here, but we are. Got him. Big one. Okay, never mind. It's not big. But it's a willa. That is just sick. That is just sick. See you later, my dude. Woo. Sick. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for me today. What a crappy day out here on the river. First time kayak fishing, first time out at this dam with the kayak. Not too happy. I'll be back. I'm gonna steal this kayak from Murray. We're gonna fish hard in it. So we're about to go hit some rapids, get the heck out of here. We got some grilling, chilling to do tonight. So 1 cat, 1 bass, 1 dogfish, and 2 skinny little walleyes. So that's it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoy the kayak fishing videos and the spillway fishing videos. If you do, please drop a comment, let me know. I will be back to conquer. It is sunny, it is bright, but yeah, we're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Marshall Outdoors. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.